Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Variative Tutorial. Now I want to give a tutorial about how to make greeting card of Ramadan Kareem in PowerPoint like this. Okay, let's go. For the first, go to File, click Blank Presentation. Okay, like this and Ctrl X to delete. Now type Ramadan Kareem in Arabic letter and the font size just 60 and the keyboard change into Arabic Saudi Arabia keyboard. Okay, now type Ramadan Kareem. Okay, Ramadan Kareem. And now change the font into Arabic font. For example, change into a bullet. Okay, now the Arabic letter arrange into a good composition. Okay, how to arrange into a good composition? Okay, now please insert and click shapes and make a rectangle or oval. Okay, now draw rectangle. Okay, this rectangle select Arabic letter select and go to shape format and click merge shapes and select fragment rectangle delete. Okay, delete. Okay, okay, now arrange into a good composition. Okay, move here. Okay, move here. And Ctrl G and move here. Okay, maybe now look at good compositions. Okay, select all and Ctrl G to group and go to shape format. Click shape outline. Click no outline. Okay, now type here Ramadan Kareem and change into English keyboard. And now type Ramadan Kareem. Okay. Next, make a rectangle and select here and go to measure set and select fragment. Select and the shape, delete Control X to delete. Okay, select all, Control G to make a group. And now go to shape format, click shape outline, and click no outline. Okay, select all and go to shape format, click align middle center, Control G to make a group, and click align again, click align middle. Okay, now make moon crescent or crescent moon. And now draw opal. Now outline and duplicate, Control D. Okay, select opal and select and go to the format, go to merge shapes and select subtract. Okay. Okay, Ramadan Kareem, change to small size. Okay. Okay, select one question and select Ramadan Kareem and Control G to group and go to line, click align center, click line middle. Okay, now make background. Click design and click format background and click gradient fill. Okay, Mooncushion and Ramadan Kareem. Now change the color. Click gradient fill. Change the color into yellow, and this color change into yellow. Okay, okay, change into big size. Okay, now make shadow on button of Mooncushion and Ramadan Kareem, and go to insert and draw over. Okay, now change color and this color transparency change into 100%. Okay. Okay, shape outline, no outline. Okay, go to shape format and link to forward flag and click line center. Control key to make a group and go to line middle. Okay. Okay, now this design export to JPEG. Okay, go to file and save as. Click format JPEG and name Ramadan Kareem. Okay, click save. Okay, click just this one. Okay, now go to the result. Click document and open. And this is the result of greeting card of Ramadan Kareem. Okay, friends, maybe it's very easy. Thank you for watching and see you to the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.